We take charity first because they help us gain courage, confidence, and comfort.
We are very thankful to Charity First because they help us realize our dreams.
And through their support, we were able to finish our studies.
And other than that, we were also able to meet different kinds of people and meet new friends as well.
We are thankful to Charity First because through their support, we were able to finish our studies and reach our dreams. Thankful po kami sa Charity First kasi marami kaming mga true-to-life lessons na natutunan na hindi namin nakuha in a simple classroom setting. We thank Charity First because they gave us hope to fulfill our dreams.
Sobrang thankful ako sa Charity First kami. Unang-una, kasi tinutulungan nila kami at hindi nila kami pinapabayaan sa lahat ng aspeto. Financially, kahit sa mga values namin.
Salamat din po ako sa Charity First sa kanilang pagkama sa amin bilang isang pamilya.
Thank you for being the pillar of our lives. Thank you very much and God bless. Thank you for all your hard work and support. We are very thankful for all activities and experiences that truly bonds us.
And to all the opportunities that you have given us to pay forward to the society or the privileges that you have given us as a scholar.
We thank Charity First for making us better individuals and for the gift of values you have instilled on each of us. From the very depths of our hearts, Sisi. Thank you, Charity First and sponsors!
Ang pinaka-memorable experience namin sa Charity First ay ang personality and team effectiveness nila. Kasi maganda yung place, perfect, and we had fun, and sobrang daming natutunan.
Una, nakala ko wala akong magagawa para sa Charity First. Pero nung sinabi nila na meron doon one presentation sa Aranet, go ako doon. At ang saya-saya niya sobra.
I surely miss the taste of Opia every LSFS.
We cherish the anniversary, preparation, presentation, and victory party. We will surely miss the Sports Fest. Champions!
Memorable sa akin ang Charity First kasi nung sumali kami sa anim, nagkakilala kami. Memorable po yung sa atin dahil na-realize ko na hindi lang pala kami tinutulungan ng Charity First pati yung ibang tao.
Memorable experience.
This anniversary presentation because we truly gain a lot of knowledge and showcases our talent.
Siyempre, huwag natin kalimutin sports fest, ultimate bonding experience talaga, di ba?
Ako naman, very memorable sa akin yung annual Christmas celebration ng Charity First kung saan lagi ko nakakasama yung buong pamilya ko.
Charity First is love!
Charity First make individuals better person.
Charity First is an inspiration. Charity First is our second home.
Charity First is where big dreams belong.
Charity First is our loving mentor.
Charity First is commitment.
And discipline. Sir Johnny.
Charity First is
Astig!
Charity First is a legacy of service.